Never poach eggs this way again. Oh no, those eggs were so beautiful just now, and now they're completely ruined. Don't worry, today I'll show you a smart way to poach eggs. So the egg whites are perfectly round and beautiful, neatly surrounding the yolk, and the yolk remains soft, creamy, and rich. Just looking at it makes you want to eat it right away. Before we begin, we need to clean these eggs. Chickens raised on farms often carry dirt, droppings, and harmful bacteria when they lay eggs. To clean them, prepare a large bowl and transfer all the eggs to it. After picking out the eggs, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 liter of clean water. Soak the eggs for 3 minutes. After soaking, use a clean cloth to wipe the surface of the eggs. When a hen lays an egg, the egg must pass through a passage called the anus to be laid. The cloaca is also responsible for excretion. Therefore, dirt on the surface of the egg can include chicken droppings, feathers, and other contaminants. These contaminants, along with the adhesion of pathogenic microorganisms such as Escherichia coli, E. coli, and Salmonella, can pose a risk. Rinse again with clean water. After the first wash, the eggs were completely free of chicken droppings and dust. Rub gently with your hands and then remove a plate. Look at these eggs after they've been cleaned, packaged, and brought to supermarkets for sale. Wait for them to drain. While waiting for the eggs to drain, place a pot on the stove and add about 1 liter of water. Close the lid and turn on the stove. While waiting for the water to boil, prepare 2 plates and add a little water to them. Then crack the egg onto the plate, doing so very gently to avoid breaking the yolk. Once the water has boiled, open the lid and reduce the heat. When you see that the water inside the pot is no longer bubbling, the right time to add the eggs is crucial. Do it very gently to avoid breaking the yolks. During the poaching process, never let the water boil vigorously, as the waves will cause the eggs to break and lose their shape. Keeping the heat low allows the eggs to cook slowly, so the whites set softly while still cradling the yolk inside. As the whites begin to set, I cover the pot and simmer for about 1 minute to achieve a soft, creamy yolk, or 2-3 minutes if you prefer a firmer yolk while still retaining its rich, creamy texture. When opening the lid, gently use a slotted spoon to remove them, being careful to lightly blot them with a cloth to avoid burns from the boiling water. Wow, the eggs look absolutely stunning and irresistible. The egg whites have set into a soft, smooth texture, perfectly cradling the golden, glossy yolk inside it. Looks absolutely perfect. This isn't just a delicious dish. It's also nutritious and suitable for the whole family, from children to adults. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Eggs combined with zucchini are incredibly delicious. To start, I prepare 1 zucchini and grate it into thin strips. Then, I place the zucchini in a large bowl. add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and mix well with a spoon. I let the zucchini sit for about 6 minutes so the salt helps draw out some of the moisture. While waiting, I crack 2 eggs into a separate bowl. I added 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then I used a moderate amount. I add 1 tablespoon of flour to the bowl and continue whisking until the mixture becomes smooth. After 5 minutes, I remove the zucchini from the bowl and squeeze out the excess water with my hands. I add the zucchini to the egg mixture I just prepared and mix all the ingredients together. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, I put some olive oil and cinnamon all over the side. When it's hot, I clean half of it and spread it evenly over the surface. To create a flavorful filling, I place a few slices of ham on top. Then finely chop some green onions and sprinkle them over the top. And add a layer of grated cheese to make the dish richer and more appealing. I pour the remaining zucchini mixture on top and spread it evenly to completely cover the filling layer. Now I cover the pan with a lid and cook over low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once the bottom is cooked, I place a plate over the pan and gently flip the pancake over so both sides cook evenly. Then add more oil to the pan and continue frying the other side. Then, I cover the pan again and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Once the pancake is golden brown and fragrant, I remove it from the pan and cut it into bite-sized pieces. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. So, we've completed both simple yet incredibly delicious cooking tips using eggs and zucchini. With these familiar ingredients, you can create visually appealing, flavorful, and nutritious dishes for the whole family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to support me and help more people learn to cook delicious meals every day. Thank you so much and see you in the next videos.